It's Friday night, and I'm going night bugging.
It's a Blatchley walking stick. Oh, you get into pose. Come here. Let me see you real quick. There we go. Look at that dude. Whoop. It is way easier to get pictures of grasshoppers at night.
June bugs in their natural habitat.
I have absolutely inhaled at least 4 bugs at this point.
Weevils mating. Look at him reaching around.
That must be a huge spider or something.
See its eye reflecting back there? I don't know if you can see the eyes on here, but if we walk on up, right there. Oh, there it is. Right there. Oh, it's not even that big. It's right there. Whoa. Oh, look at the little yellow jackets. They're sleeping. Hello, lady. Oh, look, camel crickets. Look at that dude. I think that grapevine beetles are kind of cute. Ugh.